Alright guys, break's over. Let's get back to work.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Some bad storms lately. Good morning, Squatchers. How are y'all doing this morning? We are back out here at the Airbnb rental in Florella, Alabama. This one. We was gonna have to mow here yesterday. We actually have a check-in today. Guests are arriving at 4. So I was gonna try to get here yesterday, get it cut, which would have been Thursday. Today's Friday. And it rained all day long. I don't like mowing in the rain. Lawnmowers don't like the rain or wet grass. Look at this. Look. Wee. We actually cleaned this house the other day. My wife and I did. We do that too. We clean these places. Been doing that off and on for 13 years now. Cleaned at Alice Beach on 30A. Boy, those are some picky folks. Miss Melanie has turned the sprinklers off here as of about a week ago. So it's not as soggy as it's been, even though it has been raining. You can have to be real careful not to spin that up with the mower. No quick turns, no 360s. Straight, long curves is probably best. So we're gonna get started on that and try to get at least the front and backyard done so that the arriving guests won't have grass slapping their ankles. So let's get on it. I'm too lazy to pull off my mower every day and go find somewhere to park it and make room in the garage or bring it through the back fence. For the most part, it doesn't really hurt it. They're kind of designed to be outdoors. This is the only one thing you want to keep dry, really. That sucker gets wet, you're done. But only thing I'm concerned about is getting the old wet butt. Oh, swamp ass. Swamp ass bad. Alright, that's better. Alright guys and girls, y'all seen the situation with the grass and the water. It's kind of seeping up. What do you think? You think it's going to spin? You think it's going to get stuck? I think she'll do alright. Let's give it a shot. got the front yard done. As you can see, it made several lines in the mud there. We've had some bad storms lately. As you saw, I also did by the roadside out there. That's Highway 85 coming in from Florida to Alabama. Literally, the state line is like right there. This property is actually on Alabama and Florida, so it's true definition of Florida, Alabama. But yeah, that's a busy road out there. I try to do it quick, get it over with. People run you over if you ain't careful. They will. A lot of them on the phone. Get off the phone, you're driving. Oh, when y'all mow by the road, do you blow your grass out to the road or do you blow it back in? I prefer blowing it back in myself. I used to ride motorcycles. That part really don't concern me, because if you really know what you're doing on a bike, you're looking ahead about a mile and you see that, you're going to slow down. That blind curve thing I can understand, but yeah, I try to keep it blown in, and that way there's not a bunch of trash in the road, there's not a bunch of debris. I don't pepper a car on accident, because that would be expensive. We're going to get on this backyard and get it done. I'm trying to get these done before it rains, because the weatherman was off about 3.5 hours yesterday. So I never actually got out here because it just kept raining and raining and raining. So I got to do the new sod. Y'all seen it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
That looks good. Down 3.5 inches, like I said. Guess I'm going to a little bit shorter. And boy, that looks great at that height. It just right over there. Recognize today's sponsor. They're there for us every time we need them. Big shout out to my wallet, because I go to freaking work every day. So big shout out to you, wallet sponsor. Well, everybody, again, we didn't make it to the lake down here. It's starting to sprinkle, so we had to wrap it up and get it on home. I got everything blown off here. Everything blown off there and there. So, there, show you, don't tell you. There and there, all that's blown off. I really try to make sure I do that, especially since it's going to be us cleaning up after them. It's not the guest's fault, it'd be our fault. You got to pick up, blow off the grass where they're going to be, So I blew off the grass, off the sidewalks, off the driveway, from around the patio area. Blew that patio. There's no patio there. But right here with the burn thing, that guy. Blew all the grass kind of that way so they don't track it back in the house. Pretty simple. Alright guys, well, that wraps it up for this one. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I can't believe we're over 200 subscribers now. That blows my mind, but thank you, and God bless you.